Good morning, everybody. Another January cold day. Oh, hi Jess. Hi Jess. Yeah, we're heading over to Shoreline. We've got a big ride out today. It's the last weekend of January. We are going to be heading over eventually to the Passage House Inn in Kingsteignton. We're just going to have a nice journey over there. And then possibly a milkshake run on the way back. Jess is on a hire bike, she isn't on her TNT. Oh yeah, Jess. She was hit by a car just before Christmas. It was low impact, slow. Jess is quite bruised, sore neck, sore back. But her bike's a write-off, unfortunately. We have almost 100 people in the group chat now. It's just absolutely bonkers. I've got no idea how many are turning up today. We've got some meeting us on the way. Oh, it's going to be a really nice day. Looking forward to it. Oh, there's a few here already. Very good choice. Right, one sec. So, I was expecting maybe 4 or 5 bikes. Oh my god, we've got, yeah, and this isn't even all of them, there's still those behind me as well. I cannot believe how many bikes are here. This is just absolutely nuts. Oh, this is mad. Welcome to Day's Day Out. My goodness, this is absolutely nuts. There's a motorbike vlogger in Plymouth. I'll put his thing up here now. And I saw a video of his recently where he was saying how difficult it is to make friends on motorbikes. This is what you need. I started Day's Day Out almost a year ago. We've got the 1-year anniversary of our first video in February. And when I started it, I thought maybe there'd be, like, we'd get 20 people in the group. We'd maybe have 4 or 5 people on the rides. And it has just grown and grown and grown. Now, there was another group. It was busy-ish. There's around 20 bikes in there. It was more ad hoc, just if someone was out, like, does anyone want to go for a ride? This is a bit more organised. So in our group chat we actually put when the ride outs are. If you want to make friends, just do what I did. Just start an Instagram page, put videos and pictures on, say that there's a group. If there's other local riders want to join the group, just join in. Yeah, initially it's slow. I think for the first couple of months we only had a dozen people in it. But then it just grows and grows and grows. until you've got days like today. I am always amazed at how many bikers there are in the bay. You don't think there's this many. Oh, it's not there! No!
Ah! He got you.
His keys aren't where I thought they were going to be.
Victory. 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 Victory.
I am the champion.
Here we go. What an amazing sight. If you want to ever join something like this with us, just follow us on Instagram at DaysDayOut, ping us a message, as long as you're local, we'll add you to the group. I think we're going to be at 100 members very soon now. This group does my mental health so much good. Love it. That dog was like, no, not having this. When it comes to bikes, 2025 is off to a fantastic start. I love this. Go Jess. Yeah, whatever, whatever. Nah, 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 nah.
I love that sound.
Oh, this has been a lovely, lovely ride out. I cannot believe how many bikes are in front of me. This is just absolutely bonkers. If we've got this many now, what on earth is it going to be like in the summer? Chaos, I think, is what I would probably call it. We're going to have a summer of chaos, but it is going to be so much fun. Being on two wheels is the absolute best thing ever. If my time is up, I really hope it's up on two wheels. I can think of no better way to go. We got several big bikes in this one today. I know you can see a lot of L plates. Someone else commented on my Kill-Switch one. It's a lot of L plates. There is, but I tell you, there's a fair few big bikes in amongst this as well. It's a real mishmash. The bigger bikes don't tend to join us because we just chill. It's not about racing from A to B, it's just the journey from A to B. So the big bikes that we have are the ones that are just quite happy to pootle along at the speed limit with us. It's lovely. Oh, look at it. Oh my days. I love it. I absolutely love it. Miss Popsalar, hello. Steve, look, your bike. That's very dirty. So this is Joe. This is Joe's first ride with us. He's come all the way from Salcombe, bless him. That's just nuts. So hello Joe, welcome to Day's Day Out. I hope you're having fun, mate. Oh, I haven't kill-switched Joe yet, I've just realised. Oh, okay. Free bike wash with every Day's Day Out ride. Woo! You're in the wrong place. Oh, okay.
It's my happy place.
Goodbye, legends. Yes, you are. Until next time. And now we're all heading back to Shoreline before heading home. This has been a phenomenally good day. I have enjoyed this ride out so much. I think it's actually my favourite so far. Absolutely loved it. And the Kill-Switch King got kill-switched. Oh no.